video, guys, I will be showing to you some of the blockchain games that you can play less than $100, or even it is free to play. And of course, this list is updated, so do not miss this one out. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates from you guys. And also, this is a free content, so please do support me by subscribing into my channel. Okay, so let's start. So the first game into my list is Trade Race Manager. The good thing about this game is you can play this any devices that you want, whether you are using a PC, whether you're using a phone, it doesn't matter. What matters here is that you just have a time for you to be able to play this game, and this is entirely free. But if you want to earn more, then probably I would recommend you to buy some NFT cards right here. So as you can see here, I do have 6 cars already, and I also have an avatar, Mr. Rich, which is absolutely insane. And this game is just so easy. You're just going to be able to go into the fast race and then select your cars, okay, if you have, and then make sure that if you have a premium, utilize it well. So let's click this trending coin. So this is like the hot, okay, so I'm just going to do this. So let me just put it at 5%. So let me just do this, and then into this other car, I'm just going to pick an ADA. So I make it 2 times leverage, so that you will be able to maximize and you will be able to get at the top of the rankings. And this time I will be using XTZ. So XTZ long 2x, and then I will be going into XMR vet and ADA, and then let's choose a vet, and then let's look for another one, maybe this part, and then I'm going to choose engine, and make sure that it is 2x leverage, and then just start the race after that. Okay, so as you can see here, I am now able to join, and this will actually start in the next 10 seconds. And if you're going to wait here, okay, the top 10 people inside this game will able to get a reward in IOI tokens. And let me just finish this race real quick so that I will be able to show to you how you can be able to withdraw your money if you would like to. But I also made a dedicated video for that. Okay, so this time I think negative is the trending, and that is the reason why I am also at the bottom part. But once everything goes good, probably I will be able to earn money in IOI tokens just by clicking as you I will show to you here. Okay, just by clicking repeat. Now you do not have to even check the game. Just click the repeat, and the what they call that, the cars will work for you. Okay, so let's quit the game. For you to be able to withdraw this one, this is really easy. Just click this one. So you actually want to transfer this into your IOI wallet first, and then from your IOI wallet, you will be able to withdraw it directly into your Binance Smart Chain. So that's how easy it is for you to be able to earn money in Trade Race Manager. My second game in line is Cropbytes. So if you haven't heard anything about Cropbytes, this game you will be able to play it whether you're also using a PC, whether you're using a phone or anything, even an iOS. You can play this game for free. And for you to be able to start, actually you just need around $20 to $60 here. And the gameplay here is that you will be able to get in-game assets here, which you can sell in major cryptocurrencies like TRX. And then from TRX, which is Tron Network, you will be able to transfer it or swap it into a USDT coin. Okay, although it pretty much loads really slow right now, you'll be able to withdraw it via this funds section right here. I guess there's a lot of people that are playing this game, and of course server doesn't can't handle it properly. So as you can see, I do have 6,000 TRX estimated portfolio, and for you to be able to withdraw it, just click this part right here, and of course just add the address that you have. So of course you need to verify, and then you will be able to withdraw it. So just add the withdraw address from your Binance chain, and you will be able to get your money back if you would like to encash some. Okay, so now it is loading farm. Let me just show it to you real quick so that you will have an idea. So for you to be able to earn money here, okay, let's say you have this what they call it, water over here. Okay, I'm not sure what happens into my farm, but I guess they are pretty much dead. I guess they are dead, and of course I'm correct on that because I can't really feed them. So what happens here is that you will be going into let me just go back here, go into the game coins, and then just click the milk, and of course add the quantity, and then of course after you've done that, you will be able to get a GC, and then actually you will be able to trade it directly into this part right here. So once you already have a GC, you can now convert it into a TRX coin, which of course after you've got a TRX coin, you can now deposit it and withdraw it to your Binance chain account. Okay, so this is the second game that I'm recommending. The third game that I'm also going to recommend is this MIR4. Sadly, the download is not that working, but into this game, okay, let me just like hide this real quick. Into this game, you will be able to earn money via mining dark steel. Okay, so this game has a really good storyline if you're going to ask me. So if you're going to base it in terms of earning, probably you might say that it is not that worth of your time. But in terms of like the quality of the gameplay and stuff, I think MIR4 is just the best of them all. So make sure to play this game. This is entirely free. You can also play this game into your mobile, into your PC, or even into your desk, into your Android or iOS as well. So yep, this is the third game that I'm going to recommend. The number 4 that I'm also going to recommend is this RetroSociety game. Okay, so if you have a Discord, and the moment that you have a Discord, whether you're using a PC, an Android, or an iOS, you will be able to play this game because it just needs a Discord app, and you will be able to earn money into this game. Okay, so it says Discord's first play to earn game. Actually, this game is still in progress, and we just need to wait for a few more months, and everything will be perfect for them. Okay, so this is an enjoyable pay to earn game in Discord, and of course, if you have tried games like Alien Worlds, like Metal Wars and stuff, probably you will have an idea on how this game actually works. Okay, so you will be able to mine retro tokens. So this is the official token, and after you've mined this one, you will be able to what do you call that, to withdraw your retro tokens into a wax token, and then from wax token you will be able to withdraw it into a USDT token, which is US dollar, or we can just say Philippine peso if you are a Filipino. So in this game is you will be able to start into this game for around $20 if I'm not mistaken, into their what they call that, into their into their white paper. So you can be able to buy and able to earn money in retro tokens if you have a normal pack for as low as $20, which is 1,000 pesos. And if you are getting a diamond pack, because of course it will give you a better return on in terms of retro, because you will have a good items than this, because it has a higher chance for a good item. So in terms of those, okay, I would recommend that if you are starting here, do not slip into this project, because this is just a start. And also they are very transparent. They're also giving back to the charity. They also have a roadmap, and the mining and the PvP mode, wherein you'll be able to fight another player, and you will get a reward depending on the ranking of your profile. And after you've battled other people, you will be able to get a retro tokens based on the ranking that you have in the current season. So just like in AXS in Axie Infinity, there is a ranking system wherein you will be able to get retro tokens. So you are not betting, this is not a gambling, it is actually a play to earn game. And they also actually have a 4,100, I think they do have a giveaway. So this giveaway is worth more than 4,100 worth of NFTs, and this is entirely free. So just make sure to join the Discord server, which is this part right here. Join their Discord server and join their Retro Society group on Telegram and the announcements. Also follow them on Twitter, and also visit Retro Society website daily, and you will be able to also get an extra entry in just one click. Okay, so if you are got lucky, you will be able to get a land which is worth more than $300, and of course a diamond pack worth $60 each. Okay, so this diamond pack won't even appear soon, because this is just once in a lifetime. After you've already bought a lot of diamond packs, you won't be able to see it again, because there are only 2,000 limited packs available on this. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on my next video.